Reading is a journey, and there are 5 English books that truly stand out as must-reads. First up, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. It's a witty exploration of love and social class that still resonates today. Then, we have 1984 by George Orwell, a chilling look at totalitarianism that feels eerily relevant in our digital age. Next, To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee offers profound insights into morality and justice through the eyes of a child. Don't forget The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, a dazzling critique of the American dream wrapped in glamour and tragedy. Finally, Moby Dick by Herman Melville is an epic tale of obsession and the human spirit. Each of these books not only tells a story but also challenges us to reflect on our own lives and society. Dive in and discover the worlds within these pages.